Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to start making money online each and every day for yourself just by spending 10 minutes on Instagram. And by the end of this video, you will learn all you will need to go ahead to get started towards making money using this simple business model that I'm going to be sharing with you right here in this video. Now, have you seen this type of pages on Instagram? These are what are called the Instagram theme pages. So Instagram theme pages are simply pages where you repost content on. So what you're basically doing in this type of pages is reposting other people's content or creating similar content to the top content that is already popular on your field, and you repost it on your Instagram page so that you will be able to build a great theme page that your audience will love and can also help you to make money quickly. So the first thing you need to consider when creating an Instagram theme pages is to think about the niche you want to create your page about. All right, so now there are popular niches out there you can create an Instagram theme page on. We have niches like money, motivation, fitness, and so many of those type of niches. But the most important thing you need to consider when choosing a niche is to choose a niche that you are passionate about and also a niche that other people are already creating Instagram theme pages on. Now this is a very important step to take because it will help you to be able to build your page with ease and also make money quickly from it. All right, now for example, let's say you are passionate about cars. It's very important for you to do what? To create an Instagram theme page that is all about cars. And it's also important for you to make sure that you find out other people that are also creating Instagram theme pages on cars that are very popular already, so that you can be able to model off of those people to quickly and easily create your own Instagram theme page that is guaranteed to be able to make you money. All right, so make sure you pick a niche that you are passionate about and other people have already started creating Instagram theme pages on that particular niche, so that you can be able to model off of them to fast track your success. Now once you have done that, the second step you need to take is to go ahead to pick a name for your Instagram theme page. So the name you need to pick have to resonate with your audience, so that once they see it, they will know that you are talking about something in that particular name they are interested in. And it also has to be Instagram algorithm friendly. Now what I mean by being Instagram algorithm friendly is that once Instagram algorithms see your name, they will know that you are talking about something in this specific type of niche. All right, so for example, let's say you're trying to create an Instagram theme page on fitness where you are going to be providing fitness advice to your audience. Now you can name this type of page something like FitVice, you can name it something like Fitness Fellow, or you can name it something like Workout Wisdom. Now this type of name is something that resonates with your audience. When they see it, they will know that you are talking about what they are already interested in. And it also helps the Instagram algorithm to know that you are talking about fitness, but in your case you have to choose something that is related or similar to your niche that you are already working on. Now you can simply use a tool known as Namelist to be able to go ahead and do that. So once you get to namelist.com, go ahead and put in your target keywords and also a short description of what you are trying to do. All right, now this is an AI tool that can help you to generate a business name or a name you can use for your Instagram theme pages. All right, so go ahead to use that tool to create a name that resonates with your audience and also with the Instagram algorithms. So now that you have picked a name for your Instagram theme page, the next thing you have to do is to go ahead to create a logo for your Instagram theme page. All right, now you can use some AI tools such as brandmark.io to go ahead and generate the logo for your business, or you can simply use Canva and go ahead and type in your business name or your keyword so that you can be able to find the logo preset for that particular niche, so you can go ahead and create your logo. Please do not waste time on choosing your logo or creating your logo, because you can easily change this later on as you progress. All right, now once you have created your logo, the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and create your Instagram profile. Okay, now make sure that you are using the name that you have chosen before as your Instagram handle, and also make sure to go ahead and upload your logo. All right, now once you have done that, the next thing is for you to go ahead and optimize your bio. Now this is very important because this is what will make people to know what they will be getting from your page, whether they should follow you or whether they should not follow you. All right, and this also helps the Instagram algorithm to know what your page is all about more. Okay, so whatever you're doing on your Instagram theme pages, you have to bear the Instagram algorithm in mind. We're also bearing the type of audience that are coming into your page, so that once you're setting up your page, you make sure that what they will be seeing there is something that will resonate with them, so that your account will be something that they would like to follow to get more information on that particular topic that they are interested in. So once you have created your profile, upload your logo and update your bio, now the next thing you need to do is to start posting content on your Instagram team pages. Now, this is basically the easiest thing you'll be doing right here, because all you'll be doing is just to go ahead and find like top most popular Instagram team pages on your niche and go ahead and repurpose most of the content that they've already posted on their platform. All right, now this is very, very legal for you to do, because according to Instagram terms and conditions, once you give people credit to a post they made on their own Instagram account, Instagram is not going to penalize you. Okay, all you have to make sure is to make sure that you are giving credit to the original author of that post, okay, which are those top pages on your niche that you will be repurposing their content on your own Instagram team page. Because what you'll be doing right here is to go to their content or to go to their page and find out those content that is getting lots of engagement, content that is getting a lot of likes and lots of comments on them. Make sure to take those type of content to go to your own page and post those same content on your own page. So the reason why I advise reposting other people's content when you are starting your Instagram team page is simply because you need to understand what is working in your niche before you go ahead to start creating your own original content, so that you will not waste any time or effort trying to create something that is not going to work in your niche. So when you are posting other things that people are already posted and is doing well on their page, on your own page, and give them credit, you will stand a higher chance to understand what is already working in your niche. So this will help you to see what is already working in your industry or in your niche, so that you can be able to create a strong basis that you can now go ahead and kickstart off of it to create your own original content and be guaranteed that those content is going to do well when you start posting it on your team pages. So now that you have seen how to go ahead to start creating the first few posts that you're going to have on your Instagram team page, now the next thing you need is how to get followers to start following you and to start seeing your posts. Now, how you're going to do this is to go to those same big popular pages on your niche and go ahead and check out their first 5 or 10 posts and go ahead and see people that are already following them or people that are already liking those posts and commenting on those posts. Now, what you need to do is to go ahead and follow those people. All right, now, because when you follow people on Instagram, most of them will be tend to go ahead and look at your own profile to see what you are doing. Now, once they see that you are posting similar content to the page that they are already following, these people will be more eager to follow you than any other people out there. Okay, now the best way for you to follow these people to ensure that Instagram is not going to block your account is to follow like 20 or 30 people in every 2 or 3 hours. Okay, do not exceed that when you are starting out, so that Instagram does not block your account. So all you have to do is to follow most of these people, so you can still unfollow them later on, because when you are following them and they go ahead to check your account, majority of them will like the content that you are already posting on your own account, and they will start following you to engage with you. Okay, so now once you get to like 1,000 followers, now you can go ahead and unfollow most of these people and keep on doing this till you get to your first 1,000 or even 10,000 followers on your Instagram team pages. And another way I will also advise you to get tons of followers to your Instagram team page is to make sure you are posting a lot of Instagram Reels. Now, Instagram Reel is a feature that Instagram actually created to compete with TikTok. Okay, so Instagram is pushing more of their Instagram Reel out there to engage with more people than they are pushing their other features on the platform. Okay, so if you are creating a lot of Instagram Reels, you will have a higher tendency of getting your posts or your Reels to reach a wider audience, which means that most people will see your posts, and you have a higher tendency of getting those people that are seeing your posts to come ahead and follow you and engage with your posts. Okay, so now that you have seen how to go ahead to start creating your content or to start posting content on your newly created Instagram team page, and how you can be able to go ahead and start generating followers for yourself, the next thing is how can you start making money with this. All right, now there are several ways you can implement to make money with your Instagram team page. Okay, so you can actually implement the affiliate marketing business model to make money with this. You can implement dropshipping model to make money with this, and you can also go ahead to sell your own product if you have your own product in the niche that you have already started creating your Instagram team page on. You can sell your own product and your audience will be super interested in buying what you are selling. But the easiest way for you to go ahead right now to start making money with your Instagram team page is to go ahead and start creating shout outs for your page. Okay, you can start selling shout outs for your Instagram team page. Now you can go ahead and find out similar accounts just like your own and see people that are already buying shout outs from those accounts. So you can go ahead and DM those people and tell them that you also have similar audience to the person that they are already paying for shout outs, and if they are interested in getting a shout out from you, they should do what? Get back to you. And most of these people will definitely reply to you, and you are going to charge them to be able to give them a shout out on your page and to make money for yourself. And another easy way way to do this is to go ahead and join a platform known as shoutcard.com. Now, this platform has tons of people that are already looking for people that own team pages that you're going to be owning very soon, so that those people will go ahead and post out a shout out for them on their own page. Okay, so you can easily go ahead there and you start seeing tons of people that are offering to pay people to go ahead and give them a shout out, and you can go ahead and accept the ones you want to post and you get paid immediately for yourself. So these are basically the simple steps you need to follow to go ahead and start creating your own Instagram team page to start making money for yourself. And the best thing about this stuff is that you don't need to show your face to be able to get started, and it has zero upfront cost, so you're not going to be spending any money for you to be able to create this page. Okay, and you don't even need any necessary skills or experience to do this, because all you'll be doing is just to repost other people's content and give them credit and start growing your account from there. So this is a quick overview on how you can be able to start your own Instagram team pages business to go ahead and start creating recurring income for yourself. Now, if you love this business idea and you want a video that will show you a step-by-step process you can follow to go ahead and implement everything that I share with you right here, starting from choosing a niche to monetizing your Instagram team pages, then I strongly recommend that you go ahead and check out Instagram Marketing: How to Grow an Instagram Team Page for Business by Jack Sishi, which is an online course on Skillshare. In that online course, which I have taken, and I know that this is real good because I have now used the information being shared on this course to start creating my own Instagram team pages by the side to make money for myself. You will learn everything you need to be able to build a successful Instagram team page and start making money from it as quickly as possible. You will learn how to pick a niche, how to promote affiliate offers, how to optimize your profile, how to create your own content, and how to repost other people's content without getting your account banned. And you also learn how to be able to gain followers, and also how you can be able to go ahead and generate Instagram shoutouts to start making money for yourself immediately. This course has all you will need to be able to build a successful Instagram team page and to start making money for yourself. So if you like to check out Instagram Marketing: How to Grow an Instagram Team Page for Business by Jack Sishi, which is an online course on Skillshare that will teach you everything you need to know to build and monetize your Instagram team page, kindly go ahead to click the first link in the description of this video, and the first 1,000 people to use that link is going to get 1 month free trial of Skillshare, which you can use to go ahead and check out the course. Skillshare, which is sponsoring this video, is an online learning community with loads of online courses from actual experts in different industries. You may know Skillshare for classes in photography, film and video editing and illustration, but did you know Skillshare has hundreds of career-focused classes too? The new year is the perfect time to reinvent your goal and yourself so that you can be your own boss. Building out Instagram team pages is like creating digital real estate, which can generate you recurring income each and every month for yourself from doing little or no work at all, because a time will come where you can easily automate all this stuff that you are seeing right here to start making money for yourself on autopilot. And this is one of the easiest online business you can go ahead and start doing right now to start making money for yourself without having to show your face or without having to spend any money to get started, and just by using your smartphone to make thousands of dollars online for yourself. So go ahead and take action to start creating your own team pages, and you will be amazed on the opportunities that abound when you have this kind of team pages for yourself. If you have any questions, kindly do well to drop in the comment section of this video, and also do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video if you find this video valuable, and also click the bell notification icon to get updated once I share awesome video like this. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you guys in my next video.